Hello. So, basically, today's video I am finally testing the Beauty Bay 42 colour palette. So it's the EYN Bright Matte. And if you want to know how I feel about this palette, then I suggest you keep on watching. Yes, I look like an egg. What can you do? So I'm going to dive in with the Beauty Bay EYN Bright Matte 42 colour palette. You can get another version and it has shimmers, but I want to get the fully matte one because I feel like you can do more with it. It's very rare that I use a shimmer, so I'm excited. And this packaging is so nice, by the way. Yeah, I have opened it and I've like looked at it, but I haven't like swatched it or anything because I wanted to have it all on camera. But yeah, very nice. Oh, and it has a big mirror, and I weren't expecting a mirror, to be honest. Take this away, and that's what you get. So, first impressions with looking at it, as soon as I opened it, I was just like, wow. Like, I'm a sucker for colour, and you literally got a bit of everything. And there are some right names, like I think my favourite name is Custard Cream, just because it actually looks like custard creams. And there's a lot of purples, and I do love myself a good purple, so I have no idea what look I'm going to do yet, but I was thinking of doing like a rainbow look, but then I was like, do I, or should I stick with me Old Faithful and do purples? So I think I'm just gonna wing it. I might try and do a rainbow because I haven't done a rainbow look in a hot minute, so before I do anything, I'm gonna just prime my eyelids with the Too Faced Body Suede concealer. This is really full coverage and thick. Well, it's thick but it don't feel thick, if you get me. So I'm gonna put in like a little bit on, a bit too much there. Blend it out. So I think I'm gonna take the shade Hello Sunshine, and that's this bright yellow here. You can see that. I'm just gonna pick it on my brush. So it's on there, and I'm gonna pop it, and I'm gonna put it just here. So we're gonna start with a cut crease. Oh, that's pigmented. Okay. To be honest, I wasn't expecting a lot. I mean, I would expect it to be pigmented, but I didn't think it'd be this pigmented. This is quite pigmented. Yeah, I like that. I hope these blend out nice. I haven't watched many reviews on it, so I wanted to like test it out myself before I think I've like watched one. But I think that was the ones with the shimmers in, so yeah, I like that. Right, and then I'm just gonna do it on the same brush. I'm gonna take the shade Heat Wave, which is a bright orange. Basically do the same thing and pack it right next to. Oh, she pigmented too. Hello. I'm really liking this so far. Really, really nice. Okay, so first impressions, they are really pigmented. So I haven't got to blending it yet, so hopefully they blend well too. Otherwise then it's just gonna make it. But now I'm just going to quickly try and blend these two shades like together. My voice is going, sorry. a bit of yellow in between and then blending them together. Oh, that was quite easy. They blended quite nicely together. I like that. Yeah, I really like that. They're quite easy to blend them two shades together. I mean, I haven't blended like the outer bit yet, but yeah, that was quite easy. So, okay, beauty babe, I see ya. Right, and then I'm going to be taking the shade, I'm going to take the shade Hot Stuff, and it's a bright red, on the same brush again, because I'm just using this brush to pack on. And then I'm going to pop it just right next to the orange, and then kind of like wing it out a little bit. Like that. That's a very nice red. I mean, that is quite nice. It's got a little bit of pink undertone to it, but you know, I know how hard it is to make a red and a purple, so. I think I'm getting a cold again. This is like absolutely amazing. I love that for me. I'm just gonna blend it back with the orange shade like I did with the yellow. And so nice together, like the shades with each other. So I'm excited to see how they blend out, like just making the shadows less harsh, like the lines. So excited. Yeah, just keep going over them, make sure they're blended and there's no like lines in between. But yeah, I really like that. Right, I'm going to take a clean blending brush. When I say clean, I haven't washed my brushes, so it's not exactly the cleanest, but yeah. I will be cleaning them after this video though. Let me know if you want to see a video of how I clean my brushes. Let me know. Right. Yeah, I'm just gonna blend it with a clean blending brush. I'm gonna do a bit back, like section by section. So with the yellow. Okay. I think maybe if I just put a little bit of yellow on my brush, I don't want to lose any of the colour. Blend it out like that. I mean, wow, blends quite easy. Yeah, that blended out really easy. I really like that. I'm just going in with a bit of the yellow because I don't want to lose it. I know sometimes when you blend out shadows, like the pigment like blends with it. That blended out like a dream, and that's just the yellow. Okay, I'll take the orange. Just get a little bit and blend. I'm using a different brush, by the way, because I obviously put the yellow shade on it, so I'm just going to take a different brush for a different section. Blending out so easy. That is like really easy to do. I really like this so far. Really, really like it so far. Okay. And then I'm just going to blend out the red shade. Just realised I haven't been zoomed in, but you know, I'm sure you can see what I've been doing. And yeah, those shades blended out really nicely. I mean, yeah, like half a bit across my face, but you know, that's going to be cleaned up. And I'm really impressed. I really like that. Easy to work with, so pigmented. Yeah, I really like that. I really like that. Okay, I look a bit crazy. But I went off and did the other eye, and I've basically carved my crease. I'm not doing a full crease. I thought I was gonna, but I was like, no. But then I'm in. Then again, looking at this.
One eternity later.
I think I'm just gonna keep it as like a half cut crease. So I'm gonna blend the red into that, and then we'll see what happens after I've done that. I'm basically just winging it. So the red has like gone a bit pink. I don't know if that's because of the concealer, but you know, a lot of reds tend to go a little bit pink, like any red. Like, people have said that it's really hard to get like the perfect red shade. But I mean, I'm not mad. I don't mind it. So it looks like I've got pink instead of red, basically. But you know, I'm not mad. I really should have just used a pink to begin with. But you know, we're fine. It's fine. Right. I think I'm just gonna leave the lid white. I'm gonna pack the white shade, which is called White Lies, on it. And then maybe do like a wing. I don't know yet. But yeah, I'm gonna try and pack that white shade on and see if that's pigmented. And then when I pack the white on, it'll probably be able to blend the red shade better. Just packing it on. Yeah, it's alright. I'm sorry if my voice just sounds so bad. But like, it's slowly like going. Every time I want to try and film a video, my voice is like not having it, so it's like, bye. So this has turned more into like a sunset eye more than anything. But I mean, I'm not mad. I quite like it. So I think, I don't know if to do a wing or not. Because if I ruin it now, I will be really angry. I might just like do a little line, you know, so I can blend my eyelashes better. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. And then I'll be back. I'm gonna add some lashes and mascara, and then I'll be back. So basically, I've just done liner. I said I weren't gonna wing, but I did. I added some lashes, and I've basically done the rest of my face, apart from lips, because I'm literally going to go downstairs and eat, so. But yeah, this is the finished eye look. So it's turned out to be more of like a sunset kind of look, but I really like it. So basically this palette is absolutely just gorgeous to begin with. I didn't know what to expect, but I am really happy. Like, this is a big thumbs up from me. Like, the shades are like so pigmented, it's so easy to blend. But I mean, I've only used 3 shades, so, well, there were 4 actually. So I think I'm gonna like play around with it more, use some more purples, because I know purples are like really hard to work with. And then we'll see fully how I feel. But yeah, I'm probably gonna play around with this palette more and do more videos with it. But yeah, I'm overall really happy, and I'm glad how this eye look turned out. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've tried this palette, let me know how you thought about it, how you feel about it. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Or if you haven't tried it, are you gonna? So, I mean, I think you should. £23, 42 shades. You can't really go wrong. So, I'm just saying. And yeah, I'm quite shocked. It's the first Beauty Bay product I've tried. I was literally scrolling through Beauty Bay and I was like, I need to try that. So like, £23. I mean, it's so affordable, but like, it's just amazing. So I highly recommend it. So I'm gonna go now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below what you want to see next from me. Don't forget to follow me on my other social medias, Twitter and Instagram. I will leave the link down below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.